Where are the boundaries of the universe? I always say that when we think about a universe, normal people think about universe just as a spatial thing. They just forget that universe is not only space, not only time, but it's a combination of both of them. So wherever you point in this universe, you are locating an event instead of a point in space and or an instant of time. So when you think about the boundary of the universe, it's not a wall, it's not a wall in space, it's not a wall of let's say imaginary wall which marks an instant in time, but rather that wall is an event. So Big Bang is basically the first event of the universe, and the Big Crunch, let's say if this theory is right, then the Big Crunch is gonna be the last event of the universe. So the wall of the universe is nothing but the first and last event of the universe, because the main reason behind this is that we think like whenever we point in this universe, we just think of space, but we have to remember that wherever we point is just not a point in space, it's just not a point in time, but it's a point which we call as an event. So we are pointing at an event. So the second question is, what is like after those events, you know what lies are after these events, like what is excluding our universe, what else is there outside it. So you can imagine as our universe as a four-dimensional thing in, let's say, extra dimension which we call as hyperspace, which might consist of infinite number of dimensions, and our universe is just a small part of it, a five-dimensional. Our universe is five-dimensional. It's like three dimension of space, one dimension of time, and again for our universe to exist we need five dimensions. So like the four fundamental forces of universe, like gravity needs five dimension to exist. So in our universe in total it is five dimensions. So but it's a five-dimensional part. I mean that it's just a five-dimensional part in infinite dimensions. So where do this all these dimensions, where do these all these dimensions end? So the answer to this question is that they might never end. So that might have confused a lot. How can there's something be like infinite? Our mind can't think of infinity because we believe in discreteness. We believe in limits. We believe that everything in this universe has a particular limit. And when we say there's no limit to particular thing, then we think of infinity. But infinity is nothing but our laziness to think further. So but there is no problem. Like in our universe, as I said, Big Bang and Big Crunch are the boundaries of the universe. But in hyperspace, our notion, it's our human notion that we think about something as discrete and with something which has limits. But that notion is not necessarily about, like, according, there is no rule that this same rule should apply in hyperspace. So yes, we have to agree this, that something can be infinite. So hyperspace, there can be infinite dimensions in hyperspace, provided we are a five-dimensional part of those infinite dimensions, where in this five dimensions where we have the Big Bang as the and Big Bang and Big Crunch as the boundaries of our universe. Hope so guys have understood. Hello, I'm Hiten Shelar. I'm the author of Astrophysics for Non-Mathematicians. Hope so you guys enjoy my videos, and if you want to learn more concepts like this, what I'm speaking is just a small part of it. Then you can get the major source of this content is from my book Astrophysics for Non-Mathematicians. You can always have it on Amazon, Google Play, and many more websites. So just go and grab your books, and you will just get a entire treasure over there. So hope so you guys enjoy today's video, and okay, tata, bye bye.